Ever wondered how to add that extra touch of sophistication to your tie? Well, the secret starts with the right canvas, your tie. The ideal choice is a silk tie, which naturally drapes and shines, setting the stage for that perfect dimple. Opt for a solid color or a subtly patterned tie to let the dimple be the star of the show. Remember, the right tie can make all the difference in achieving that perfect dimple. Now we move on to the next crucial step, getting the length of your tie just right. Ideally, the wide end of your tie should hang significantly lower than the narrow end. Start with the narrow end at about your belt line, and the wide end slightly higher. This way, once you've tied your knot, the wide end should fall perfectly at your belt. Feel free to adjust the starting points to suit your height and the tie's thickness. With the length set right, you're on the path to a perfect dimple. Okay, so you've chosen your tie and you've got the length right. Now it's time to choose and make the knot. The ideal choices here are a 4-in-hand knot or a half Windsor knot. Both of these knots have the perfect balance, allowing for a dimple to form effortlessly. The trick is to ensure the knot is snug enough to hold the dimple but not so tight it squashes it. With the right knot, you're one step closer to your sophisticated dimple. Now, onto the star of the show, the dimple itself. This stylish little detail is what separates the fashion novices from the fashion aficionados. So, let's get to it. First, you're going to want to pinch the fabric of your tie, about 2 inches below the knot, using your thumb and forefinger. This is the starting point of your dimple. Next, gently fold the fabric horizontally, creating a small crease. This is your dimple taking shape. The final step is key. You want to keep the tension while releasing your grip, allowing the fabric to naturally create that coveted dimple. Remember, don't force it. Let the dimple form organically. The goal here is to achieve an effortless look of elegance. And voila, you've created your very own dimple. But hold on, style enthusiasts, we're not done yet. Before you head out the door, there's one last thing to do. Let's finalize that striking dimple. It's all about the details, so be meticulous. Your tie knot should sit high and proud, and your dimple well should be nothing short of perfection. To ensure your dimple is on point, adjust the knot slightly. This can help to emphasize the dimple and really make it pop. Don't be afraid to play around with it a bit. Remember, your tie is an extension of your personality, so let it speak for you. Now, for the last step, the crease. It's time to fine-tune it. Using your fingernail, gently press into the dimple's crease. Don't press too hard, just enough to give it that crisp, well-defined edge. And there you have it. With the final touch done, you're ready to rock your dimpled tie with confidence. The world is your runway, so strut your stuff and let your style do the talking. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the world of neckwear sophistication, from selecting the perfect canvas to mastering the art of the dimple. Remember, it's about the right tie, the correct length, the ideal knot, and the magic of the dimple. Don't worry if it doesn't come out perfect at first. Keep practicing, embrace your unique style, and rock that dimpled tie with pride. Thanks for tuning in to Unleash Your Style. Stay sharp, stay confident, and keep on shining. Until next time.